Installing a file server is a simple task in Command Center. In the navigation pane, expand Protect and select File Servers. Navigate to the File Servers tab and in the upper right, click Add Server. Select the file server type from the supported vendors. Although the deployment and configuration steps will be similar across vendors, there will be some specific requirements for different vendors. You should check documentation.commvault.com for full details of supported workloads. We will deploy a generic Windows or Unix-based file server. Start by entering the name of the server to be added. Click Add New Server. Select the operating system type and enter the credentials required for remote installation. You should note there are several port and firewall connectivity restrictions for remote installations. For more details of these, you should check documentation.commvault.com. You can configure the installation to use non-standard ports and user-specified SSH keys for Unix deployments, and you can use a specific installation location. We'll accept the defaults and hit Next. Next, we'll select a plan for the file server to use, and then specify the backup content. The default configuration protects all contents on the server with no exclusions set. We'll accept these defaults and click Add. This will launch an install job to deploy the file system agent on the client. If required, Commvault will automatically download any required software. After a few minutes, the install will complete and the file server will be ready for protection. In the navigation pane, expand Protect and select File Servers. Your new file server will now be visible. Click the file server name for more details. In the Overview pane, you will see key details and can change the region and configured plan. In the Configuration tab are further advanced settings where you can configure activity control and enable features such as snap backup, content indexing, and threat analysis. The Subclients tab shows the configured subclients. You will see the default subclient created during the deployment configured to protect everything. Protection will be based on the RPO settings of the associated plan. To take an immediate backup of your server, in the upper right, click Backup. Select your backup type. Selecting an incremental on the first backup for a server will automatically take a full backup. The job will launch, and once complete, your server's data is now protected.